Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how to convert between hexadecimal and decimal. The decimal number system is a base 10 number system, which means it uses 10 symbols to represent numbers. In the decimal system, the value of a number depends on the position of its digits. Each position represents a power of 10. For example, consider the decimal number 4783. This number can be written as 4 into 10 to the power 3, 7 into 10 to the power 2, 8 into 10 to the power 1, and 3 into 10 to the power 0. Adding these values gives the final decimal number. Now let's look at the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal is a base 16 number system, which means it uses 16 symbols. These include the digits 0 to 9 and the letters A to F. Hexadecimal symbols A to F represents decimal equivalents of 10 to 15. Hexadecimal numbers are widely used in computers and embedded systems because they provide a shorter and more convenient way to represent binary data. Now, let's convert the hexadecimal number 12AF into decimal. First, separate the digits and convert the letters into their decimal equivalents. So, 12AF becomes 1, 2, 10 and 15. Next, multiply each digit by power of 16 based on its position. That is 1 into 16 to the power 3, 2 into 16 to the power 2, 10 into 16 to the power 1, 15 into 16 to the power 0. Now add all these values together. The result we get is 4783 in decimal. So 12AF in hexadecimal is equal to 4783 in decimal. Now let's convert decimal back to hexadecimal. To convert a decimal number to hexadecimal, we continuously divide the number by 16 and record the remainders. Let's convert 4783 now. Divide 4783 by 16 repeatedly and note the remainder at each step. If a remainder is greater than 9, convert it to its hexadecimal equivalent. Finally, read the remainders in reverse order, meaning the last remainder becomes the first digit. When we do this, we get 12AF, which is the hexadecimal representation of 4783. So this is how we convert hexadecimal to decimal and decimal to hexadecimal.